All right, find your seat. Let's go through your fake quiz. Okay, so I wrote the proofs for A, B, and C. I kind of squished them in there, so if you can't read something, let me know. This is what it'll be like on the test. I'm pretty sure I give you 5, and I ask you to pick 3 of the 5 to prove. Okay? They will be challenging.
Are they going to be harder than this?
I mean, these 3 are not super challenging, I don't think.
Yeah, they will be.
They are, some of them will be, yeah. I feel like there's a one kind of gimme in there and kind of a medium, and then you pick which of the hard ones you want to do.
So, will the test be like this format kind of, or would it just be mostly?
So the math-based part of it has, like, most of the double, sum, and difference having, like, kind of one of each of those.
Yeah.
And then the free response, there's the proofs on there, and then the rest is multiple choice. That is like, this simplifies to which of the following, or just like multiple choice type questions about proof stuff mainly, okay? So it's a front and back multiple choice, and then the proofs.
And do we only have 5 proofs for it, or 3 or so?
You pick 3 of the 5 to prove, and that's it.
Oh, and the rest will just be multiple choice.
So, yeah. Yeah.
So there's math based, and then there's free response, multiple choice, and then there's proofs, and then there's also the formula.
The free response is all combined with the multiple choice, essentially, like the written portion of your test.
Okay.
Can we call it that? I don't know what we want to call
So
it.
everything that's on paper is just added all together.
That's the 60%. Then 10% here, 30% math.
So, you said 10, 16, 30.
Yes. I feel like I'm going to hand you your test back with a score on it, and you'll be like, this is a mystery. I don't know where it came from. It's all these parts together, but it'll be okay. All right. Are we okay with those 3 proofs for Alex?
How long will the math space be?
It's literally 3 questions. Now they have like A, B, C, you know, because it'll be like, here's your triangle. Now answer the sine of A plus B, the cosine of A minus B, you know, that sort of thing. Here's the triangle. Now do the half angle. Here's the triangle. Now do the double, that sort of stuff.
I think each of the questions are holding
Yeah. So 3 questions, multiple
It's
times.
nothing crazy.
It's what?
It's nothing crazy.
No. I didn't pick any of the proofs from the math-based stuff.
As long as you know how to solve our
All right, guys, let me keep going here. I've just got the answers up here. If you need me to go through the work on it, just ask. There is a Delta Math review. Yeah. Sure. So do you recognize that that's a sine formula? Okay. So it's the sine of 50 degrees minus 20 degrees. And then that's a half. Oh dear, no. Yes, take these easy ones for what they are. Okay. All right, then these lovely triangle ones.
So we have all the tests we have on the sheet.
Does help. 7 and 8.
Why am I doing the hard one?
So 7 is cosecant. I would treat it as sine. And this is what, pi over 3 plus pi over 4? You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So then it's sine of pi over 3, sine of pi over 4. I'm sorry, cosine of pi over 4. Let me write my formula right. Plus cosine of pi over 3, sine of pi over 4. So I know the sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Cosine pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Cosine pi over 3 is 1/2. Sine pi over 4. Okay. So this is one of those root 6 plus root 2 over 4.
Yeah.
But I didn't ask you for sine, I asked you for cosine. So what do I do from there? Yep. And then you rationalize. So you get 4 times root 6 minus root 2 over 4. Cancel and then, okay?
And it doesn't matter what order you write, right?
Yeah, if you write root 6 minus root 2, that's fine. Are you okay on 8 or did you need 8 too?
You go with it.
Sure, so you're just picking 2 angles again. I don't know, let's do 225 and 60. It doesn't matter, there's lots of choices there. And then again, it's just that formula.
I really want to try this.
Yeah. I understand. I was just having like a hard time trying to find the angle.
Oh, okay. It's all your circle.
Yeah.
Are you okay from that point then? Okay.
Thank you.
Carrie, do you have a question? 3? Was that at the top or was that on the other? So do you recognize that that's a cosine formula? So that's the cosine of 14 pi over 12, which is really the cosine of 7 pi over 6. Okay. All right, let's keep going. So kind of part 2 here, the back of yours. These kind of overlapped with the front of your fake book. How are things going over here? Do you need to go grab some paper towels? Okay. Okay, it's not that much water, I guess.
Could you explain over 4?
4, sure. So, do you see that that's a sine formula?
Yes.
And it'd be pi over 18 plus 5 pi over 18. So that's 6 pi over 18.
Oh, I can't divide. Okay, that solves it. I said that was pi over 6.
Oh, okay. Eli?
Yeah, can you do number 2?
2. So I would pick pi over 3 and pi over 4. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
So tangent pi over 3 plus tangent pi over 4 over 1 minus tangent pi over 3 tangent pi over 4. Root 3 plus 1 over 1 minus root 3.
Yeah.
You okay there? All right. Rationalize. So when you multiply that together, that numerator, you get root 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus root 3. Denominator, you get 1 minus 3. So that's 4 plus 2 root 3 over negative 2. And then that reduces. Okay. Yeah. All right, there's the 2 at the bottom. Questions there? Yeah. 5, sure. So I didn't really tell you which quadrant this was in. It doesn't actually matter though, because your formula, you're going to square everything anyway. Because cosine 2a, that'd be cosine squared a minus sine squared a.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
I used a different formula and forgot the 2.
Oh, okay, that'll do it.
Go number 6.
Sure. So I need to draw my triangle. 4th quadrant, squeeze it in over here. You okay with that?
Wait, you divide, to get 4th quadrant, you divide the...
No, this says 4th quadrant.
Oh, okay, I thought it was like a half-life difference.
Well, that's a different part. The first part is just draw the triangle where it tells you to.
Okay.
A is different than A over 2. So that's where A is. Where is A over 2 going to be?
It's gonna be the second.
Okay, and is cosine positive or negative in the second?
Cosine is negative.
Okay, because that's what it's asking, the cosine of A over 2.
Oh, and that's solved for the. Oh.
But in the formula, you use A. You see what I mean? Like you need
Yeah.
both of them. Okay.
That's dividing my two to solve for the plus sign.
Yep. Okay.
Why is it negative?
Where is A over 2? Because A is in the fourth quadrant, right?
Yeah.
So where is A over 2? Fourth quadrant, let's say like 300 degrees, right?
Second quadrant.
Yeah. Okay. All right, last part, guys. Number 8, guys, depending on which formula you picked, you might have gotten either of those answers. The first one is if you use the plus or minus square root formula. This is what you get with either of the other two formulas. If I rationalize that first one, this is what I would end up with. Okay. Yeah.
And you said on the 51 instruction.
Yes, if it's like, I would take this, so, like, I would take that. And really, the only ones of these where you'd be rationalizing are on MathSpace, and they'll tell you, like, rationalize, so. All right, guys, and then the last two proofs. That first one is just following the formula. Not a lot going on there. And the last one, there are several ways you can do it. I did it all with sines and cosines. It's not really hard, it's just a lot to write. So look at that. If you have questions, let me know. As I said, it's not really hard, it's just a lot to write. Questions, guys? Anything you want me to go back through? Yeah.
Go over 8 quickly.
Which formula did you use?
I use cosine, or all under the square root.
Okay. So are you okay with why it's positive?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you okay with theta is 9 pi over 4, which is really just pi over 4?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm writing the wrong sign, sorry. So you've got 1 minus root 2 over 2, 1 plus root 2 over 2. Just go over here.
Okay, yeah, I just did it wrong.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. 10, sure. Oh, maybe. There we go. Demetri, do you have a question? Or? Yeah, give me just a second. Okay. You're welcome. Those two? The other 5 and 6, of course. You're welcome. Those two?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I will. Good? There we go. All right, guys, so what all do you need to get done for me by Monday at 8 a.m.? Delta Math review. What else has to be done by then? Second attempts on homework. Yeah, I did. I did during the day. So, yeah. And guys, also another thing to note. Next week, you guys know is Wellness Week. Maybe you don't know that. Do you know next week is Wellness Week?
Yes.
It's like Spirit Days, and there's stuff going on during Warhawk time. Like Monday, I think it's the faculty volleyball game. So I might not be in here all of Warhawk time. Just a heads up, okay? So, yeah. You do. Wednesday of next week is a religious observance day.
What are we going to do?
It's a great question because you will have just taken a test. I'll probably just give you time to work on corrections for things. Like Unit 3, is the Unit 3 retakes coming up?
So are you guys doing 3 and 4 retake?
The 14th for you guys. Yeah. I have to have it back there, otherwise I'm like, I don't know what day.
A lot of people are doing it.
For what?
Why do we put like right before?
Well, I can't just be like, okay, we finished Unit 4 on December 6th. We just won't do anything for 2 weeks.
We actually have to learn.
Yeah, we'll keep going. And it's stuff that you'll be like, okay, this isn't that bad too.
So it's like light stuff like
Yeah, it's inverse stuff with trig things and solving, and then we'll review all of that again after break. But it won't be like we have to start over after break.
And are we going to use the triggers?
So for a lot of the trig units, yes, and those like the timed trig quizzes, those will keep happening for most of the year. Yeah, because you need them for calculus. Trig. We've got a few more trig type units left. Mostly fourth quarter is calculus. Yep. Trig, and then we do some weird things like if we have time, we'll do vectors and polars is technically still trig, sequences and series, and then we start limits and derivatives and all that.
I also noticed here, but I think there might be some directory.
Sure, yeah, let me know. Stop.